Did you know potatoes are one of the most misunderstood foods in modern nutrition? They've been blamed for weight gain, blood sugar spikes, and poor health. But let's pause for a moment and look at the bigger picture. Because like many whole foods, the truth about potatoes depends entirely on how we prepare and consume them. Potatoes are natural, whole foods. They grow in the soil, and in their natural state, they are packed with nutrients. But the problem isn't the potato, it's what we do to it. Most of us aren't eating plain, boiled, or baked potatoes. We're eating deep-fried chips, fast food fries, instant mash with preservatives, or potatoes drowned in seed oils. These are not the same thing. When eaten in their whole form with skin on, gently cooked, and minimally processed, potatoes provide essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, B6, and fiber. They are a clean source of carbohydrate energy that the body understands. The anti-carb trend has made potatoes a target. But not all carbs are created equal. Whole food carbs from potatoes are nothing like refined sugar or ultra-processed starches. In fact, traditional cultures around the world have relied on potatoes and other root vegetables as dietary staples, and they didn't have the obesity or diabetes rates we see today. Even the glycemic index argument doesn't tell the full story. If you boil a potato and eat it with a little fat, like butter or cheese, the impact on blood sugar is lower than you'd expect. And when you cool potatoes after cooking, something called resistant starch forms, which acts more like fiber in the gut and supports a healthy microbiome. Sweet potatoes are often praised while white potatoes are shamed, but both have their place. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene and fiber, while white potatoes deliver a broader range of minerals and are more satiating. It's not a battle between them. It's about balance and how they are cooked. The truth is, potatoes are an affordable, versatile, and nutrient-rich food when we prepare them right. Boiled, baked, mashed with some garlic and real butter, or turned into a nourishing stew, these are meals with substance. Meals that satisfy. So let's stop blaming the potato. Let's look at the oils, the additives, and the deep fryers. Let's look at how we've lost the art of cooking whole food in simple, nourishing ways. Food should be judged by its real form, not by its ultra-processed imposters. And if you're curious about the science, nutrient breakdown, and how different cooking methods affect potatoes, I've put together a free downloadable fact sheet that you can keep in your kitchen or cookbook collection. The link is pinned at the top of the comments section. If you found this useful, please leave a comment, and for more interesting facts about the benefits of whole foods, please subscribe. Until next time, eat well and stay healthy.